I'm really tired.
It's 11:16 at night and we just finished bowling. I think we bowled like 5 games, like an insane amount of games. It was so much fun. Back at IKEA today on a very specific mission to get him a new bed frame. So this is Jansom's current bed frame. It's about 20 years old because it used to belong to my cousin. And it's just super simple. The box springs go on these 2 little ledges. But every single night, something happens because these are not very sturdy. Basically this. It falls off the thing. So we thought it was time to get a new one. Oh my god, IKEA sells skateboards now. It's an actual skateboard. They have everything now. Absolutely everything. Does anyone else have that problem where they come to IKEA for one specific item and then they walk out with like 6 lanterns? Just me? Somehow managed to fit it into the car, which means that I have to sit back here. No one's sitting there right now. It's really weird. It's like you're my driver. Super comfortable chilling with the new bed frame. Since I just happen to be wearing my Spain jersey, thought I'd talk about the World Cup, which is starting very, 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 very soon. Are you guys watching the World Cup? Who are you supporting? Unfortunately, since neither one of my countries are in it, I'm supporting Spain. I supported these guys in the last cup. I'm 100% supporting Egypt because of Mohamed Saleh. He is amazing! I hope they do well. There is still over 2 hours before iftar. I don't know if I'm gonna make it.
Your sister. And about your I truly.
Oh, I love water so much.